Hello everyone, Andrew here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you another easy way to earn some extra cash on your free time. And we are going to do that by using this site, which is called CLixTOYou, and it's basically a GTP site, which means get paid to. Now, before we get into that, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that like button, also that notification bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. With that said, let's jump into today's site. Now, this is the dashboard of my account. If you click here on my account, and will look alike for everyone. And by the way, CLixTOYou is 100% free to join. I'm going to leave my referral link in the description of this video. Now, there are a lot of different ways that you can earn some extra cash with CLixTOYou, so let's check them very briefly, all of them. Now, unfortunately for me and for you, because I can't show it to you, a lot of these features I cannot access because these features are filtered by location, and unfortunately, given my current location, I can't access most of them. But let's check out how many ways there are to earn money. Let's go right to offer walls, and there you go. There is Lootably, OfferToro, NauticWall, AdSense, Media, Polefish, AdGem. Now, these are all online sites that offer different tasks to compute, and they pay you in cents. Of course, whenever you earn from this site, if you signed up under CLixTOYou, you will get paid in your CLixTOYou account balance. Okay, again, unfortunately, I cannot use these features, and here is what happens when I click on one of them. It takes me to the home page of CLixTOYou. I have to go back to my account. Okay, so these are a lot of ways that you can earn, guys. And these are really simple tasks, maybe a survey, or maybe you sign up, or maybe you review on Reddit. Different easy tasks. Okay, and imagine if you live in a country where you are filtered all of these features, you can earn easily at least $5 to $10 per day. Okay, and look at the statistics here. This site has been around since January 2019 and already has 37,000 members, and it's growing by daily basis. As you can see here, 31 new members today, and it's not even 5 p.m. yet. All right, now this is the part where I can access and earn money, but then again, not all of these features, which you can find on offer walls as well. But this is the view ads, because CLixTOYou also offers the PTC site. For those for those who don't know, a PTC service is basically you click on some ads and you get paid accordingly depending on the ad. So once you go here on earn money and go to view ads, it will take you to this page. You just have to solve the CAPTCHA. I'm not a robot, give me access, and it will take you here. Now, in order to, these are all the ads that you will have access to, but in order to access these ads, you have to click here where it says click here to open the ads page. Thank you. You just click here and you wait. Now, this is basically an ad offered by CLixTOYou in order for all the users to see this ad. All right. Once the timer is over, you have to click on the upside down picture, and in this case apparently is Shrek. Okay, you just click here, thanks for watching, and then you can close this window. Now if we refresh the page, all ads will be active, and then you can click. And depending on the ad, like I said, depends also how much you earn. You can ignore these little ads here. Now, as you can see, clicks 1 cent ads. These are called 1 cent ads. And for each ad you click, you will earn 1 cent, so $0.01. And this is like, I don't know, maybe 10 to 15 seconds, maybe less. So it's nothing, all right? You just wait, you just solve the CAPTCHA, the upside down picture, and there you go. If you refresh the page, you can see right up here, I got the 1 cent on my account balance. All right, easy peasy, okay? Other ways you can earn money are hideout videos. You just, when you click here, again, given my location, I can't access this feature, but it will take you to another page. You will be asked to join this site, and then whatever videos you watch, you get paid and you will earn money here on CLixTOYou. Everything you earn on these features will be added on your CLixTOYou account balance. Another way to earn is, of course, loot videos, which is the same as hideout videos. CLixTOYou grid, these are bonus clicks. You don't earn money, but you earn chances to earn bonuses such as money. Okay, for example, if you can click 25 as a free member, and then you can earn some money, or you can earn nothing at all, depending. It's like gambling, all right? And another way would be PTSU, which means pay to sign up offers. Other users of CLixTOYou offer a job, offer a task for you to compute, and then you will get paid accordingly. For example, here the first task, Neobox. This is sign up on Neobox, probably be active for a couple of days, and afterwards you will get $0.1, which will be added here on CLixTOYou balance, and so on. There are other tasks as well that you can compute. There might be just to visit a website and to click on some ads, something like that. This is useful. If you have a website, this is very useful. Okay, and another way, and this is the way that this is actually the reason why I'm using this site, because maybe some of you may go now, hey buddy, you don't access a lot of features to earn some extra cash online, so why even bother using these sites? Well, there are actually two reasons. The first reason is because I always use PTC site for advertising rather than to earn money, and second, because CLixTOYou pays you to promote your referral link. Now let's go to PTP leaderboard. So if you use traffic exchanges already, why not promote your CLixTOYou referral link and get paid? And look at some statistics here. Now this is the first place. This guy or this company or this team brought 16,000 visitors to their CLixTOYou referral link, got 11 direct referrals, and they will earn $3.2 just for this. Now, everybody promotes their referral link, but not every site pays you to do so. Okay, so while you promote CLixTOYou, keep in mind that you will also earn money. And here I am with 649 unique visitors. I haven't got any referrals, and this is how much I will earn. The CPM, cost per millennium, here is 0.01, and it goes up to 0.2, as you can see here, depending always on how many direct referrals you get. Okay, and by the way, getting direct referrals is another way to earn on CLixTOYou. The more direct referrals you have, the more money you will earn, 100% profit. All right, and not only that, but you also get paid to promote your referral link. And another way yet to earn money here is rented referrals. So CLixTOYou, as does Neobox and other PTC sites, also has the rented referral programs, but I've not been using it because I've been a member here for 40 days now, not so long, and like I said, and I repeat, I use PTC site mostly to advertise my affiliate links. And I've already advertised here twice within these 40 days using their PTC service. And I haven't spent any money on my own. Whatever I earned on CLixTOYou, I used it to advertise my affiliate links. Okay, so this is the reason why I use this site. This is how I earn money. But if you do live in a location where you can access all of these features, I promise you will earn extra cash on a daily basis. Now, there is a catch for the money, but given the location, it wouldn't be a problem for you, because in order to withdraw money from CLixTOYou, you have to earn cash out points. And it is explained why you have to earn cash out points in order to withdraw, but it's quite easy to earn them, because as you can see here, you will earn 25 points for each survey on all of these sites here. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 14 sites. Even if you just compute one survey per day, it will be more than enough. Okay, but I don't care about this, because like I said, I use it only for advertising. Now there are a lot more features that you can explore after you join, sign up, and you start clicking some ads, because you have to be active on a daily basis, and you start thinking to promote your referral link. Now if you go to your account and click on banners here, here is your referral link. That's the one that I'm promoting, and I'm getting paid every week. Every week. Whatever you earn every week, every Monday, will be added to your CLixTOYou account balance. Okay, simple as that. So get paid for your promotional efforts, period. Okay guys, so I'm gonna leave this video with this. I know it's not enough probably, but like I said, when you sign up, and by the way, use my referral link in the description of this video, I'd appreciate it. You start working on CLixTOYou, and you will see that is quite easy to navigate on it. And I hope you earn as much as you can. Okay, so with that said, also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Hope you liked this one. If you did, give it a thumbs up. See you in the next. Cheers.